Most engine problems people worry about, loss of power, smoke from the exhaust, or rising oil consumption, don't start with the fuel system or even the spark plugs. They often start deep inside the engine, in a place most drivers never see or think about. Inside every cylinder, a piston is moving up and down thousands of times per minute under extreme heat and pressure. That movement only works properly because of one small component doing a very big job, the piston ring. It looks simple, just thin metal rings sitting on a piston. But without them, an engine cannot maintain compression, cannot control oil, and cannot produce usable power efficiently. Let's break it down clearly, from the basics to the deeper engineering reality. What is a piston ring? A piston ring is a split metallic ring fitted into grooves on the outer surface of a piston in an internal combustion engine. Its purpose is to seal the gap between the piston and the cylinder wall while allowing the piston to move smoothly up and down. Inside a running engine, conditions are extreme. Temperatures can exceed several hundred degrees Celsius. Pressure rises sharply during combustion. Pistons move at very high speed. Despite all this, piston rings must maintain a tight seal continuously. In simple terms, piston rings are the sealing system that keeps combustion pressure inside the cylinder where it belongs. Without them, the engine would lose power instantly and become inefficient almost immediately. Why piston rings are so important in an engine? To understand piston rings properly, you need to understand what an engine actually is. An engine is basically an air pump. It pulls in air, compresses it tightly, mixes it with fuel, burns it to create power, pushes exhaust gases out. For this cycle to work efficiently, compression must be sealed. That sealing job is done by piston rings. If piston rings fail, compression leaks out of the cylinder, oil enters the combustion chamber, fuel burns inefficiently, engine power drops significantly. Even a small amount of wear can lead to noticeable performance issues.
Main functions of piston rings. Piston rings don't just perform one task. They are responsible for three critical engine functions at the same time. 1. Sealing the combustion chamber. This is the most important function. During combustion, gases expand rapidly and create high pressure. Piston rings prevent these gases from leaking downward into the crankcase. This ensures maximum engine compression, strong combustion force, efficient power delivery. When sealing fails, a condition called blow-by occurs, where combustion gases escape past the piston. This reduces engine efficiency and increases wear over time. 2. Controlling engine oil. Engine oil is essential for lubrication, but it must be carefully controlled. Piston rings scrape excess oil off cylinder walls, prevent oil from entering the combustion chamber, return excess oil to the crankcase. If oil enters the combustion chamber, it burns along with fuel, causing smoke, carbon buildup, higher oil consumption. So piston rings ensure lubrication happens without contamination. 3. Heat transfer. Pistons get extremely hot during combustion. Piston rings help transfer this heat from the piston to the cylinder wall into the cooling system. Without proper heat transfer, pistons could overheat, metal expansion could occur, engine damage could follow. This makes piston rings a key part of engine thermal management. Are piston rings made of? Piston rings are designed to survive extreme conditions. They are usually made from cast iron, alloy steel. These materials are chosen because they resist heat deformation, maintain shape under pressure, provide long-lasting durability. Some modern engines use coatings like chrome, molybdenum, plasma coatings. These reduce friction and improve lifespan. Types of piston rings. Most engines use 3 piston rings per piston, each with a different role. 1. Compression ring, or top ring. This is the first ring at the top of the piston. Function: seals combustion gases inside the cylinder. This ring experiences the highest pressure and temperature. Why it matters? It ensures that combustion energy does not escape, directly affecting engine power, acceleration, fuel efficiency. If this ring fails, compression loss becomes immediate and noticeable. 2. Wiper ring, or second ring. Also called the scraper ring or Napier ring. Function: scrapes excess oil from cylinder walls, supports the compression ring, helps reduce gas leakage. This ring acts as a secondary sealing layer.
Important detail. If installed incorrectly, it can push oil into the combustion chamber instead of removing it, leading to heavy oil consumption. 3. Oil control ring, or bottom ring. This is the lowest ring on the piston.
Function: controls oil distribution on cylinder walls, removes excess oil, returns oil to the crankcase. It ensures only a thin oil film remains for lubrication. Most oil rings have slots or holes that allow oil to flow back into the engine block. How piston rings work during engine operation. Even though they look simple, piston rings operate in a very dynamic environment. Here's what happens in a single engine cycle. 1. The piston moves upward, compressing air and fuel. 2. Compression rings seal the chamber tightly. 3. Fuel ignites, creating high pressure. 4. The piston is forced downward, power stroke. 5. Rings maintain sealing under pressure. 6. Oil ring regulates lubrication on cylinder walls. 7. Heat is transferred to the cylinder wall. This cycle repeats thousands of times per minute. Symptoms of bad piston rings. When piston rings wear out, the engine starts showing clear symptoms. 1. Blue or gray exhaust smoke. This is one of the most obvious signs. It happens when oil leaks into the combustion chamber. Oil burns with fuel. Smoke exits through the exhaust. The smoke often has a burnt oil smell. 2. Excessive oil consumption. If you notice frequent oil top-ups without visible leaks, oil is likely burning inside the engine. Rings are no longer sealing properly. This is a strong indicator of internal wear. 3. Loss of engine power. When compression drops, engine feels weak, acceleration becomes sluggish, performance decreases. The engine struggles to produce normal power output. 4. Oil in the intake system, blow-by effect. When sealing fails, pressure forces oil and gases upward. Oil may appear in the intake manifold or air filter. This is a serious internal engine warning. 5. Rough engine running. Poor sealing leads to uneven combustion, engine vibration, misfires in some cases.
What happens if you ignore bad piston rings? Ignoring worn piston rings leads to progressive loss of engine compression, higher fuel consumption, increased oil burning, severe engine wear over time. Eventually, the engine may require a complete rebuild. Piston ring replacement cost. Replacing piston rings is one of the most expensive internal engine repairs. Average cost: $1,000 to $5,000 plus. Why it is expensive? Engine must be fully disassembled. Pistons must be removed. Entire engine must be reassembled. Labor costs: $85 to $300 per hour, often 10 plus hours of work required. Even though piston rings themselves are relatively cheap, labor makes the repair costly. Can you drive with bad piston rings? Yes, but it is not safe long-term. Driving with worn rings can lead to rapid oil loss, poor fuel efficiency, engine misfires, severe internal damage. Short-term driving may be possible, but continued use worsens the damage. Piston rings and engine efficiency. Healthy piston rings ensure strong compression, efficient fuel combustion, proper oil control, smooth engine operation. Bad piston rings cause power loss, smoke emissions, high oil consumption, poor fuel economy. In short, piston rings directly control engine health, power, and efficiency. Conclusion: small component, huge impact. Piston rings may be small metal components, but they perform one of the most critical roles in an engine. They seal combustion pressure, control oil movement, transfer heat, maintain efficiency. Without them, an engine cannot function properly for long. So the next time you hear about engine smoke, oil loss, or reduced power, there's a strong chance the real issue is happening right here, inside the piston ring system. Don't ignore this. If you've read this far, you're clearly serious about understanding how engines actually work, not just driving them blindly. There's a lot more hidden engineering inside your car that most people never learn about. We break all of it down in a simple, clear, and practical way, so you actually understand what's happening under the hood. Subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss the next breakdown. Because once you understand your engine properly, you save money, avoid breakdowns, and make smarter maintenance decisions. And if you learned something new today, hit the like button and share this with someone who still thinks engine smoke is normal. More deep automotive breakdowns are coming soon.